for my audition video, I'm gonna show you that I can start fire. So we're just gonna take 2 sticks and some kindling I have gathered here, and we're just gonna what? This isn't for Survivor? Shaw? Don't I already work there? All right. Yeah, I guess we're not doing it now. We're not doing it, everybody. Hi there, I'm Jonathan, and you might remember me from the X-Files Season 5 finale, where I played a guy in an orange shirt. True story. So here Shaw's looking for energetic people for the year-end video. Well, I'm full of energy. Mostly hot dogs, but still lots of energy. Can I sing? She's just a small-town girl, living in a lonely world. Yeah, I can sing. Can I dance? Oh yes, I can dance.